Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Deepa. So if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I am bringing you guys a very important product. Like this is a must-have, like a must-have. So I'm very happy I got these products. So yeah, so I am talking about, before I speak about what is the product, that generally, we women apply so much of lipstick, and even men, they have dark lips. So if they're smoking and all of that, they get more dark. So we apply so much of lipstick, and the problem with that is dryness. You have dark lips. That's basically a myth, but you tend to get darker here in the edges for sure. And you have chappy lips, your lips get pigmented. For all those problems, I have one solution. So I am here bringing a range for you guys. So it's a complete routine. So these are the two products that I have. Yeah, so these are the two. So we have the Alanna lip brush plus lip lightening and hydrating lip wash. So this is like the first brand that has come out with such a product. Like it's not there. Yeah. So it contains 0.5% of alpha arbutin, and it contains 1% of PHA Lactobionic acid. So this generally, it's a very foamy liquid. So even if you swallow or something happens, not to worry, because they have ensured that. And generally, like, what is a lip wash? A lip wash is an aqua-based foam solution specifically formulated with high-performing actives for deep cleansing, intense hydration, and lightening of lips. Yeah. And so you may have a question like, why do I need to purchase a lip wash? So it's mentioned right here, I'm going to read out. Lips have 5 topical layers compared to 16 of the face. Makes them ultra sensitive. Harsh chemicals in face wash cosmetics disturb their pH levels, which leads to dry and dark pigmented lips. The gentle and effective formulation of a lip wash deeply cleanses, reduces pigmentation, and boosts hydration, making your lips pink and healthy. So basically your rosy lips. Yeah. So how to use is, cleanse, press a pump of lip wash to extract the foam and apply with bristles directly on the lips. Exfoliate. Yeah. Use lip brush in a gentle circular motion to exfoliate additional dead skin to prep your lips. Treat and moisturize. Rinse off with water and pat dry. So after this you can follow with a butter lip mask. Yeah. So clean lips every day. The maintenance of lips is very important. I generally take a little bit of sugar and I do this. And generally most of the lip scrubs contain sugar, so that even if you swallow, nothing happens. Yeah, because it's directly near your mouth. So definitely some of the other would go. So even this product, ensures that. I really like the packaging, and it's so clear here. I've mentioned right here. So I'm going to read out also the key ingredients. So this contains alpha arbutin. So this is to reduce pigmentation and like your dark lips, and it also plumps up, and it also protects from UV damage. So it has a sunscreen as well, and it also acts as a barrier to keep your lips moisturized and good. And we also have the PHA Lactobionic acid. So this is to remove acids generally do the job of cleansing. Yeah. And they prepare your skin, like they remove out the dead skin layer, any acid for example. So they remove the dead skin on your lips, and your lips are ready for like the fresh skin as come up. Yeah. So generally it does that. It enhances wound healing. So I'm going to show you guys the world's first lip wash. So it's by Alanna. Let me just open and show you guys. In depth I'm going to explain here. Yeah. So we have 2 products. It's so cute, this bottle. Yeah. So nice. I really like the smell of this. And you have a brush as well. So cute. I really like the packaging and the idea. So this contains like a 30 ml of product. Yeah. So I'm gonna use here, like I generally need this because I use a lot of lipstick because I'm constantly shooting. I'm always in makeup. I'm always changing lip colors. I'm applying layer by layer lipstick. So this is a must have. So I'm gonna show you in depth, of how I'm using this. Must have. Get it. Yeah. And even men can use this. Even they need a skincare routine. So now I'm moving on to the chocolate lip butter mask. Wow, it has chocolate. So this is for intense hydration, deep nourishment. So followed by this, you have to go for the the mask. So this is to treat like your chappy lips, and it has this packaging, so nice. I really like the packaging, and it contains chocolate. Obviously, I hope I don't eat it. So it's really like a chocolate. Yeah, very nice. The packaging is very nice. It's very compact. You can keep it in your bag and take it anywhere. So I'm gonna read out the ingredients. Obviously it has chocolate, right? So heavenly delicious chocolate lip butter mask with 5% pure roasted Ghana cocoa makes your lips deeply hydrated, nourished and lustrous. It also contains olive squalane and that locks your lip moisture, creating a protective barrier. So it also contains olive oil. And the other ingredients are, your cocoa wheat germ oil, and it contains vegan wax, it contains exotic butter, shea butter, and it contains cocoa butter, it contains cold pressed coconut oil, it contains vegetable glycerine, it contains chocolate food grade flavor, it contains castor oil, it contains petroleum jelly, and it also contains organic colors. So yeah, very nice. Yeah, so Alanna itself is a very India's first specialized lip care brand. So the directions of use are: scoop out a generous amount of butter mask using a spatula, apply a thick layer over your lips and massage it gently for 5 to 10 seconds for smooth absorption. Use daily, morning and night for better results. So yeah, so excited to use these two products. So I've mentioned right here of how it performs or how it does. A plus, check out. So I'm gonna put the link and the code in the description, so do check out. So let me know if you have any questions. You can write in the comment section. So yeah guys, that was your video. That's it. Thank you so much if you watched till the end. Let me know if you have any questions, and stay tuned for more skincare and beauty and fashion and hair and all of those content. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding bye. Bye guys.